Hello and welcome to a new regular feature, the top monthly nature moments, starting with November 2024. Let's start with number 10. A strong wind off Salisbury Plain blowing onto a steep narrow escarpment of ancient trees. Look at this view. Wow, look at that. Oh, this is beautiful, isn't it? It's unusual to still have so many leaves on the trees as well. So maybe it's going to be quite fortuitous to come this way. Number 9. A steep fern-lined gully. Walk with me. Number 8, a rooty yew high up on a bank. Whoa, look at that yew! As they say round here. Pardon the pun, look at that. Wow, that's glorious. Who knows how old that yew is? The branches will root and cause the tree to spread, which is why it's one seen in graveyards, because it's an immortal tree. Number 7. Meet our native British primitive goat. Come to greet me, have you? You must be used to people. Let's, there you go. Aww. That's lovely. Number 6, and one of my all-time favourites. Colourful garlands of the incredibly beautiful and poisonous black bryony working their way through to decorate a hedgerow. Number 5, an ancient hazel grove circle. I've walked hours today to find this. Thank you, spirits of coal. Filbert. Number 4. Dawn sun rising over Salisbury Hill near Bath. Number 3. A privilege to see this while having sandwich and coffee. Wow! Kites playing in the wind. Wow, 3 of them. Wow! I've seen that happen before when I went to visit my aunt, and it was really blustery. I don't know if I'm getting these in shot. Wow, that's a wow moment. Number 2. The moon and the mist in the pink before dawn. And at number 1, the first November snow in my lifetime.